Tim Ballaskin. We're doing a review on a Double Eagle M56 DL tri-shot shotgun. So, there's some things good and bad about this gun. When I got the gun, the stock was not wobbling. So, about 15 minutes into a battle, it became wobbly around right here. So, I had to do something about that. So, I got home, looked up a video, and actually found out how to take the thing off. What I did is unscrewed it somehow, forget how, and took it off, whole thing off. So it's just a stock, and this piece right here is in there like this. Goes in there and push it down. Can't do that right now. So the gun, I think, is much better. That's the back, and if it becomes wobbly, you can just get an Allen key and tighten it right there. So some things I like about this gun is this part here and this whole pump is rubberized, and also the barrel, I think, is metal, both of them. Really can't see, but there's 3 holes in there, and the rail system at the top, so you can put a red dot sight or any kind of sight that you would prefer when you're playing. This is how you open it. This part here, this opens that. This is the safety, this button, and what you do, there's a hole here so you can put a shell in it, but it doesn't stay in there too well, and you can put the shell in there, and it's pretty much ready to shoot. Okay, and when you do this, the shell just drops out. Put that up later. Yeah, you should get a good amount of shells, because obviously it holds 30 BBs in it, and so that's 10 shots each. So I got 130 shots with this, and so overall I think it's a good gun to get. Got it on Amazon for 33 bucks instead of paying about like 60. It's about $15 shipping, so it's about $48. Okay, thank you. Please rate and comment. Okay, bye.